Hi, my name is Ruben Lipgott from Tonar International. We're at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and I will show you our showcase with all kinds of accessories for your record player. Here we have accessories to clean your records, to remove the dust and make the record anti-static. The classic brush, no static brush, and the combination brush the dust away. It's velvet and carbon fiber hairs. Here we have our special high-end cartridges for half-inch mounting, and also very special T4P, including, like for instance, what we call here the S-plugger. That's a Shibata tip, which is very good for your records. It's the best material against damaging your records. So we have our DJ cartridges, the Birdie, Diabolic E, which is also preferred by high-end people, the Banana, very famous, and other accessories to clean your records or to improve the sound, to set up your stylus, measure the weight of your stylus. And we go now to the other showcase, because actually the specialization of our company is that we provide up to 3,000 replacement styli. So for every turntable, so if you get a turntable from the attic, from your grandparents, and you still need a replacement styli, we can offer it. You see all the different types, also for jukeboxes, and also the cartridges and head shells, and even the steel needles. So if you need a needle, a replacement for whatever brand, you can find us at Tonar, www.tonar.eu.